2-hour runtime, allows for multiple grooming sessions with your pet before needing a recharge. Wireless operation provides exceptional power and doesn't sacrifice power. Quick charging, equipped with a 10-minute quick charge for instant power, 3-5 hours for a full charge. Lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to a year without any memory issues. Self-Sharpening Precision Blades provide snag-free cutting. Our high-carbon blades remain sharp for smooth grooming that creates a pleasant experience for your pet. Pro quality at home means fewer trips to the professional dog groomer. Add to cart: easy, cost-effective dog grooming at home. Low noise for stress-free grooming. Handles all for up to double coats for large breeds and small dogs. Save time and money doing it yourself. Made in the USA. Our clippers are made from domestic and imported parts. Wahl pet grooming kits are the brand of choice for those who seek high-quality, long-lasting pet grooming electric clipping and trimming machines. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for a poodle. I have a mini poodle. Typically, poodles are the hardest dogs on clippers. These work just fine. I've saved hundreds of dollars doing haircuts myself, and it's less stressful for the dog too.